Hello, hello. Today is March 24 ng 11:15. So, option muna. Ayusin muna natin yung mga bagay-bagay. On, camera, input, accessibility, sound, graphics. Naka-high naman. Okay na to. Back. Play online. Ano to? Post through Steam. Steam. Steam tayo. Continue game. Invite friend. Tapos, may na-receive kang invite?
Meron.
Sige nga to. Ano gusto mo? Player 1 o player 2? Okay na siguro no. Meron naman tutorial to pagpasok.
Ayan.
Sige, proceed. Start the beginning of the new game. Okay.
Magko-controller ka ba?
Hindi, naka-ano ako. Keyboard. Alam mo naman, may talon-talon dito.
Maayos ba yung mic ko?
Nayos, malinaw. Sa akin ba?
Sino ka dyan?
Welcome to Raider Publishing, where stories come to life.
Hi, I got an invitation. I'm a writer.
Oh, great. Go ahead and fill in your information and then make your way over to the elevators.
Okay. Wait, hold the door! Whew, that was close. Hi. Excuse me? Can I ask you something? Have you been published before? Nope. No, me neither. Whew. My parents always say I should quit writing and get a real job, but look at me now. So what's your story about? It's science fiction. Oh, sci-fi. Sci-fi's cool. I write fantasy. Look, I don't mean to be rude and all, but I really don't do small talk. Oh, okay.
Sungit.
Tungit. Sino ka dun?
Kaya pala.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello, I am Raider, owner and founder of Raider Publishing. And I believe that everything great that happened in the world first happened in someone's imagination.
Excuse me, miss. This way,
We
please.
proudly
Oh,
offer
sorry.
as participants the opportunity to truly set one's creativity free. Unlike other publishing houses, we're on the verge of releasing a product that will reshape the foundation of the entire industry. Stories have been told and retold pretty much in the same way since
Do we get to
the
wear
dawn of
these?
Yes, the suits will help us pinpoint and track your
our
synchronization.
cutting-edge technology.
Track and synchronize what?
Mr.
Ano ulit pangalan mo sa sa YouTube?
Immersive event.
Why
Why
Albion
read?
yata.
Watch a story when you can live it, touch it, feel it. My fellow writers, let me introduce the machine, my life's work, the heart of this company. You will all undergo a unique simulation of your story. And during the experience, we will record and store it all, and then package and publish. Welcome to the next chapter of storytelling. Yes.
Hi. Hey, I'm Zoe. Sounds amazing. I just wanted to thank you for giving me, us this opportunity to get published. Lord knows it is rough being an unpublished writer these days, am I right?
Are you saying that we're gonna be plugged into that machine?
Yes, you are.
I was told that we were here for a publishing deal. Get paid and that's it. I didn't sign up for a medical procedure.
Oh, trust me, this is no medical procedure whatsoever. Just try to relax and you'll enjoy the experience.
Right. Sure.
Then, without further ado, activate the suits.
This is so cool.
Please step onto your assigned platforms to begin your journey.
Welcome. Please step on your assigned platform.
It's time to unleash your full creative potential. Go.
Screw this. I won't do it. I won't do it.
Please return to your platform, ma'am.
I can't do this.
Calm down, return to your platform.
I won't do it, okay?
We cannot shut this down now. Do you understand? You have to proceed.
No. No, I said I'm out.
Ma'am, I told you this is perfectly
Get off
safe.
me.
No, no,
Let
no.
go.
You come with
No.
me. Listen, it's
What is
time.
this
You can't
place?
shut me down.
Okay, pili tayo. Saan ka? Science fiction o fantasy?
Ikaw, ano ba gusto mo? Kaya naman sa akin. Introvert siya, tas extrovert. Parang mas gusto mo fantasy kasi mahilig ka sa mga isekai.
Ay, grabe ka. Sige, fantasy. Nakuha mo yung ano ko, idea. So, punta ko sa kanan. Okay.
Ah.
You! What are you doing here?
Wait, what?
What are you doing in my story?
Something bad is going on here.
Yeah, like you're ruining my chance to get published.
No, listen to me.
Uy! Galing.
What was
Ooh.
that?
Watch where you point those things.
There is something this publisher is not telling us.
Well, all I can see is that they have given me exactly what I signed up for.
You don't understand. We need to get out of here.
Not we, you. I need to get published. Just please leave my story.
Trust me, that is exactly what I want to do, okay? What is that?
Yeah, and take that glitch thingy thing, whatever it is, with you.
That came with me.
Yes, and neither you or that belong to me.
Ooh. Kaya pala naging split. Tapos science fiction na nag-isa.
Where are we?
Oh.
I think this is my story.
What the hell is going on?
Yep, this is definitely my story.
What kind of a crazy story have you written?
Listen, I don't want to be here either, okay? I just want to get out.
And how do we do that?
I don't know. But something tells me we need to find that glitch.
Are you sure?
No!
Okay.
Yun na.
Naku.
Yeah.
So you have
Jump.
no clue where that glitch might
Pwede
be.
mag-double jump.
All I know is that we're in my story. You had to fall into my simulation, didn't you?
Gumagana yung
Focus on
mouse.
getting out of here.
Uy!
Ah, galing ah. Meron dyan. Ay, Ay,
Dumaan, wait lang.
ship para may may dash.
Ah, okay.
Ano muna, double jump tapos ship.
Ah.
Ship. Yan, nice man.
Okay.
Ito yata, kailangan yata.
Lo.
Ang galing. Reflexes.
Wala!
Oh, okay.
Ay, agad! Pumisit ka! Uy! Ah! Bakit? Eda. Ay, ilang minutes wala, ilang beses na ako namatay.
Hindi naman. Tutorial pa nga lang. Tapos,
Okay, can you explain the situation, please?
We're freedom fighters, reclaiming our home from galactic invaders.
No, not this story. In the real world, what happened?
I wanted to leave, but they wouldn't let me.
Are you sure this isn't just some sort of misunderstanding?
Look, I was fighting them when I fell into your simulation.
Wait, there was a fight?
We've got company.
okay, ay ba yun? Gawin.
Oh crap!
L shift dash. Ay, God.
Oh, you're dead.
Uy, tagal lang. Pagkaanin mo ako. Okay. Double shift pala. Okay.
Whoa! Look out!
Oh! Wala pa nga.
Let's move.
Okay,
Keep it
dito.
together, Zoe. Just keep it together.
Uy, na meron. Patay mo.
Bloody hell! Now that's a
Yeah mo, as long as isa yung buhay sa atin. Tapos? Dito ba?
down.
Alam, bobo ko dito sa ganito.
Hindi, okay lang. Di naman siya yung parang
Okay, okay.
balancing.
That's actually kind of a view.
Wala.
Okay. Salud. Dito ba? Okay. Tapos, F.
Whoa!
Spider-Man. Nice one.
We're still searching for the glitch, right?
What else do you think we're doing?
Getting lost? Going insane? Or both? You tell me.
No, the glitch has to be around here somewhere.
Uy!
Oh.
Ano yun dun?
Uy!
Teka, may kailangan ko gawin? Ay,
Ito.
Ako yata yun. Ano ba?
Go!
Slowing down!
Ah,
Are you alright?
Oh, it's
I'm
your
fine.
turn to shine.
tapos paano ka dadaan? Teka lang, hanapin ko yun.
Ikaw, hanapin mo.
Ay, hindi, ayun o, pwede ka muna.
Ayan.
Mal.
Let's go.
Ito.
Oh, galing ko.
Tapos,
Okay, let's go.
ay, ang galing. Kaya talaga.
Baba. Ayun.
So, how does this work? Do you know what will happen next in the story?
Sort of.
Come again?
Writing it and experiencing it is a totally different ballgame.
Uy,
Let's
gogi.
hope there's a plan to safely separate us and
Tataas
turn me
ka lang,
back to my
ate.
Taas
story.
ka lang.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Just because you blew your shot to get published doesn't mean that I have to blow mine.
No, I think they're up to something fishy. I just don't know what yet.
Tapos, baba. Uy, ang galing. Ay,
We gotta
hijack the ship!
Turn. Ilan ba sabay?
Nasa
Ay,
ba
hindi.
yata?
Doon sa gitna, doon sa gitna.
Kaya nga.
And we have takeoff. Holy!
This is meant.
Hoy! Hoy! Ay!
Aim for the water!
Aim for the water daw. No! No!
Up ba? Up. Control?
Down control.
Saan ba ako dapat? May dalawang...
Saan ba dapat?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Dito.
Ay, saan yan? Ayun. Okay.
Ayun o. Meron dito. Ay, wala.
Sa taas, sa taas,
Ano
sa
to?
taas. Hello.
Still no sign of the glitch.
Hintayin mo na.
Hindi ko alam kung bumabog rin.
Ayan.
Tapos, ayan. F. Nice boy.
Uy!
Keep cool as a camel.
That's not an actual saying.
Wala! No! I got greedy.
Can you handle a gun turret?
Is that a common question you ask people?
Or any weapons? Weapons for that matter?
I had a slingshot when I was a kid.
All right.
Oy! Ey!
Ano yun? Iba ng bini yun.
Ako. Ha?
Iba ng bini yun.
Ah?
Parang feeling ko, may sasabihin ka kayo lang.
That's our ship! Get it! What? It's our only way out of here!
Lak! Ah! Wait for me!
Patay. Uy, ako pala.
Yes, I'm here.
Uy, ako yung taga pa rin. Brum, brum, brum.
Uy, okay, magdadrive.
Why are we flying towards the storm? We don't have a choice. I wrote it this way. Oh, well, that's just splendid.
Uy!
I hit it!
Ako, cute lang ako dito.
I got one!
La, saan ako dadaan dito? Uy, patay tayo.
Wala.
Ayan, ulit.
I hit it! I hit it!
Ano pinupiyo-piyo mo? Ah,
I got one!
dito ka to sa taas to eh. Yun nga, hindi ko alam paano umangat.
Ay, hindi ba mouse? Try mo
Hindi nga eh.
Mouse control. Ayun pala, steer
Hindi.
WASD.
Kaya nga.
I got one!
W yan. W yan. Ayaw!
Ayaw ko. Ano kaya?
Wait lang ah.
Steer?
Hindi ko yung control.
I got one!
Oo na, ano ko naman siya eh.
I hit it!
Ah, okay.
Kanya. Sabi natin.
Alam ko na. S pala. Pagpababa. Baliktad yun.
Nabaligtad yung ano.
Baliktad. Oo.
I did not sign up for this! Over there! The glitch! Come on!
Fantasy naman.
Maraming gusto mong fantasy.
Yan na.
What the?
Isekai moment. Yan, no? Class.
Wow! Ghiblis.
Uy, ito, medyo chill pa dito.
Wait, are we back in your story again?
Yeah, but it's not the same one as earlier.
Ooh!
What the hell is going on?
I don't know.
But you wrote this, didn't you?
I can't keep track of all my ideas.
All your ideas? We only submitted one.
Uy, may troll.
What do we do? Do we fight them? What?
Run! Definitely run!
Good. Balloon. Yan, parkour.
Knights are corny!
Oh my
Uy.
god! This door was a masterpiece!
Donkey Kong lang to ah.
Saan tayo?
Ayun.
Dito. Tapos?
In the story, incoming!
Uy! Ala, ang hirap pa. Likod nila! Dito!
Ikaw na lang. Ayun na.
Boy ka.
Bakit parang?
Kaya mahirap.
Uy. Sabi ba? Ayan.
Ayun na. Ang ganda.
Uy,
Diba?
patay.
Iba yung
Ay,
ano.
gagi. Okay lang, patay na ako. Para ka ng damok.
It's crazy. You're crazy.
Well, I
Siguro
didn't submit
talagang
this
dito.
story for a reason.
But it exists
Hindi ko alam.
because of you. You wrote it.
Don't forget who created this mess when you crashed into my simulation.
Dito.
Ito ano? Tapos,
Tapos?
gagawin.
Hmm.
Pero pwede sa baba. Hindi ka naman dito ba?
Wala.
Saan ba?
Check ko kung meron ditong ano. Wait lang.
Ah, yung pang stop.
Uy. Wait lang. Checking. What's this?
Ito nga pa. Uy!
Ayun. Uy, kailangan. Alam ko na.
Tapos, natalon pa doon. Ay, natalon. Uy, gagi. Assassin's Creed.
Boom.
Got to have faith when you leap.
Assassin's Creed.
Hindi dito. Dito.
Something's up ahead.
Okay.
May ogre, oh.
Are these lemons?
Uy, pag-aawayin yata natin. Teka nga, doon ako sa bila. Saan ba ako dadaan? Ay, tama.
Meron dyan?
Sige nga, tawagin mo ulit. Ano yung mga ulit? Ayan. Yun, tapos ako naman yung baba doon.
Kailangan ano, para
Doon ka naman sa
makadaan
kabila.
ako.
Oo, para makadaan ka naman. Teka, sige nga. Ayun.
Sino na?
Ikaw muna. Ayan. Ay, paano ba? Ay,
Wait lang. Ay.
hindi, nakatalikod sa'yo.
Ulit.
Bali, dyan ka
Sige,
tatawid
sige.
sa pakanan. Teka lang. Anayin ko ulit,
Go.
1, 2, 3. Ayan, sige.
Nakita ko! Ang bagal ko, natalon ako. Wait lang. Ulit.
Sige. 1, 2, ayan na. Okay. Nice. Okay na.
Tapos ikaw?
Parang baligtad, no? Parang kanan tayo. Pero okay lang yan. Ay, ito na pala tayo.
Time to move forward.
Isa lang pala eh. Dito.
Wala. Wala ka!
Nice. Ayan.
What is wrong with these guys? Well, plundering gets them excited.
Ang dami naman ogre dito.
Look! The glitch! But how are we supposed to reach it?
Dito naman tayo. Okay. Ano, press left shift tayo pag akyat na doon.
Left shift?
Left.
Bakit?
Para mag-dash ka.
Ay! Ay! I'm dead. I'm dead. We're both dead.
Yan lang yan. At least alam na natin yung ano. Mechanic.
Okay.
Thank you. Kabila. Ayan. Sige, kaya mo yan.
Nagkamali ako!
Yan lang yan. Wait lang ba?
Wait, kaya ikaw magpamatay! Ba't ka mamatay?
Ano yan?
Holy shit!
Feeling ko tutorial pa lang yun.
Was a close call. Oh no.
Oh
Are we in another one
no!
of your stories?
No. This is something else.
Then what is this place?
Whatever it is, I think the glitch has something to do with it.
Yeah, it's acting weird.
Wait, tutorial pa lang yun.
Whoa! What is going on?
I don't know. Can you hear that?
It must be coming from.
What is this glitch?
Sir, the machine was never designed for two people at the same time.
It seems like their combined presence overloaded the entire system, causing it to glitch.
This is not supposed to happen. Can't we stop them?
We don't know yet, but we need to find a solution before the machine takes damage.
Damn it. What's the status of the other participants?
All stable. The machine is fully operational and is successfully extracting all of their ideas.
Ooh.
Except these two. Okay, let's fix this. I don't want to hear problems, I want solutions. Go!
Pag-extract ng ideas.
Extracting all of their ideas.
I was doing perfectly fine until you came along.
But they're trying to steal all of our ideas, not just the ones that we submitted.
Oh no. Oh, what about my publishing deal?
Don't you get it?
Publishing
There
deal.
is no publishing deal. We need to get out of here.
But how? How do we get out? Is that even possible?
Not sure. But they seem to get real worried about those glitches. I mean, look what it did. If we find more of them, I believe it might crash the whole system and we can break free.
Whoa, hang on. So you want to go through more of your crazy stories?
My crazy stories. Do you think I'm excited about meeting your stupid giants again?
Actually, they were not giants. They were trolls.
Trolls.
Whatever. It's either glitch hunting or we
Kala
let
ko
them
ogre.
steal
Kala ko
everything.
ogre. Okay.
You're right. Are all your stories sci-fi?
Yeah. So?
I figured. You know, I really don't understand how one can enjoy sci-fi. It's just so
Depressing.
Like I'm a fan of fantasy. It is by far the most overrated and pretentious genre.
Good point.
I'm Zoe, by the way.
Mio.
Pili ko dapat ako yung fantasy talaga.
Bakit?
Usually, bababae gumagamit ng fantasy.
Ganun ba?
Okay, Mio.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko
Where are
pinapanood yung mga ano
They
eh.
really are stealing
Okay
our
lang.
Baka
ideas.
ma-spoil ako.
Pares
So
naman
this
sila
isn't
babae.
the story you submitted?
No.
Bakit?
I wrote
Pili
this
ko
a couple
ginawa nila yan
years
kasi
ago.
kung lalaki babae,
Okay.
iisipin nila naman nila
What's it about?
Revenge.
Revenge.
Oo.
May romance.
Parang hindi
Well, that sounds
predictable.
dangerous.
Hindi, para ano, hindi mamili. Ito mahirap, ginagawa mahirap babae.
Careful!
Uy, ang galing.
It's a
Ang
gravity
ganda
wave.
niyan.
What are you doing up there? Ugh,
Oh
what kind of
no.
a revenge story is this?
Uy,
It's very
parang
simple and
mas maraming
straightforward.
parkour yan ah.
We are cyber ninjas hunting down
Parang
the boss of
mabilis
the
ako
SRI crimes.
mapipikon dito ah.
What world is any of that simple?
Let's just go through the story and find the glitch, okay?
I'm gonna lose my mind.
Actually, pwede naman magpalit eh. Pag nag-recon ulit tayo, pwede magpalit ng kung gusto mo magpalit. Uy, ang galing.
with this whip?
Sa akin, oh.
Weapon.
Uy,
It doesn't
uy,
look
uy.
like a weapon.
Uy!
Treat it with respect.
Ay,
Na ano? Oh! Ow! Ow! Alam mo, Kala mo, sige,
gusto
sige.
sa akin.
Long range.
Long range sa akin oh. Wala, dito matama. Grabe, ganda lang po. Alam ko mabawi ka.
You cannot. You cannot.
Tumama na naman. Mumula ka.
Oh no! Oh no!
Seriously?
Ay, wala.
Nung pala, yung sa akin, tignan mo.
Ano sa'yo? Di ba
Ang ganda.
nag-teleport ka dyan? Kanina.
Hindi ko alam eh paano.
Oo, di ko alam. Basta may kinapitan ako kanina.
How much?
Paano yung teleport?
Parang wala namang ibang control.
Ito na.
Ay, ito pala taga-basag lang. Tapos,
Ikaw yung mag-aangat na ito.
ay, ako bala. Okay, ito na yun. Yung mga ano. Ooh. Okay. Ay, oh! Ganun to, oh.
Tara na, tara na. Ano to, gravity shift? Ah, ito!
Diyan ka, kailangan pala may platform. Okay, tapos,
Tapos,
mag-F ba ako dyan? Dito ka na ba?
ikaw na.
Ayan.
Ooh.
Okay, ako yung taga-grab pala. Sige, parkour. Go parkour.
Ang gagawin ko?
Ay, hindi pala. Dadalhin pala kita doon. Okay, sorry naman.
Uy!
Ay, sorry. Kailangan pala tumalon doon.
Uy! Ang galing. Ago.
Ayan.
Ago.
Ayan. So, gravity. Kapag ano talaga, gravity.
Uy!
Pwede
Uy,
pala. Ay, sorry.
Wag. I'm gonna die.
Maano kita
Go.
yung makiti.
Paano ko, Alex? Uy, I'm gonna die.
Ah, okay. Ayan.
Should I go here?
Care to elaborate on
Ayan,
this
babalik ka
story?
na dun.
Take
Ay,
the
gogi.
boss. Take her down. Get
Acid
out.
pala yun.
When you say take her down, what are you suggesting?
Ano gawin?
Cold-blooded assassination.
Oh dear.
May pupuntahan ba ako dyan?
Teka lang, parang di ko nga alam. Ano pa nangyari? Parang kailangan niya ata. Ano kaya ata ako?
Ang gagawin ba dapat ako?
Hindi ko alam eh. Wait lang. Parang dapat yata yung kanina. Dapat... Acid eh. Dapat matuto. Parang may may something ba yun? Ay, hindi. Dito yata ako sa gilid ba? Ganun ba? Sa gilid.
Ayun, nice.
What the?
Ang sayaw.
Yun yung binili kong robot na yung Xiaomi. Wala ka doon.
Uy, ako ngayon.
Ay, ko ba yun?
Tapos ikaw yan.
Ay, ito pala. Okay, tapos
Ilalagay mo ata sa mga ano.
tapos si Ryan ba?
Ata? Or yung sa baba? Ay, hindi, parang ako dapat.
Ah, okay. Tapos ibabato ko doon. Ah, okay, sige. Hindi mo.
Go!
Ayun.
Go! Noise.
By the way, what exactly
Punta ka
are
dito.
we avenging?
The fall of society.
That sounds dramatic, but pretty vague.
City being bled dry by the crime syndicate's
Tapos?
corruption.
And
Yata.
we're here to assassinate things straight. That's the deal.
Ay, wait lang. Ano pala
Ay.
yun?
Ulit.
Mabilisan pala yun. Sige, sorry naman.
Saan tayo una? Dito? Tapos?
Tapos, sa gitna.
Tabi. Gitna muna. Okay.
Oo, skip na yung skip na yung sa
Sige,
kabila.
Okay.
Ayan.
Let's go. Yeah.
Easy! This gravity shift situation won't spiral out of control, will it?
Yeah, about that.
Because I get bad motion sickness.
You'll be alright.
Ayan, dito ka. Dito ka yata. Espada mo to.
Wait
Sa
lang.
taas.
Ano? Kailangan mo ata ito ibaba. Ay. Ayun. Ito.
Ayun pala.
Paulit.
Doon ka pala sa kabila.
Hindi, sinisira ko.
Ayan, try mo.
Isa pa. Parang wala pa eh.
Wala.
Kabila.
Ah, to. Ganyan ba?
Hindi, pag ganun sa kabila. Kanina
okay.
kabila yung ginawa.
Ganyan. Okay.
Isa pa. Ooh, nice pa.
Clockwise, counterclockwise pala.
Alam ko lang kasi kabila.
Oh, okay. This might get a little trickier than I anticipated.
So much for very simple and straightforward.
Yeah. But damn, what a view.
Uy! Bye-bye!
Bye ka
Ay,
na.
bye-bye! Dito tayo dalawa.
Ay, doon
Ayun.
pala sa kabila. Doon sa minasakyan.
Tapos,
Tapos talan ulit. Diba, babe?
joke lang.
Tapos,
Ay, hintay tayo. Hintay muna.
ito.
Ayan.
Tapos ito yung tatawiran natin. Tapos isang sasakyan ulit.
Hintay lang.
So,
Tapos sa
how do you
kabila
think
yata.
the
Ito yata.
simulation works?
Ito to.
Ah,
What do
dyan
you
pala.
mean?
Ang galing.
Well, considering that Raider wants to extract
Ay,
all of our
ay,
ideas, does this mean we'll go through all of them?
Not sure. But as long as the glitch keeps
Ayan, masira ako.
messing with the machine, I'm ready for whatever.
Ay, go.
Agreed.
Ito.
Wait lang, layo ko pa eh.
Ano yun? Ay, mali.
Gagawin ba ako?
Ewan ko.
Ay, doon ka. Gravity.
Wala nga, hindi abot eh. Ayun!
Kung yung ginawa mo, huwag tumusigaw mo. Ito.
Pinapansin kita dun.
Tapos, babasagin ko ba yun?
Tagi mo.
Ayun, tapos.
Ayan.
Ang galing. Mahilo yan. Buti na lang, di ako pilit.
Ang gagawin ko.
Yung kaya tato.
Ayun.
Dadaling kita dito. Teka lang, dadaling kita.
Ah! Mamaya. Balik ka. Yan.
Teka lang ha, dadaling kita dito. Tatawid ka sa isang trap.
Okay.
Okay na.
Nice.
Tapos, gagawin ko, tatulog pa ako dito.
Ano to, E? Ay!
Let me just
Sisira ko.
borrow this.
Galing, pwede pa
Wala
lang
ka.
ganun.
Oh
Uy,
no!
galing,
Ako magdadrive!
Dito ka sa gilid.
Oh no! Saan ka?
Di ba?
Ah.
Ayun, okay na.
Tapos, saan punta?
Wala.
Ako magdadrive lang. Ikaw bahala dyan. Na.
Wala, kailangan ka dito.
Paano ko alis? Oh, cute.
Nakalis ka ba? Makakatalong ka ba?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ah, hindi, try mo nga unahan. Sige nga, wala pang W. Yung pwedeng dumikit ka sa harapan. Mag-E ka ulit. Tapos, ano ka? I-W mo para makabahan. Eh, wala. Ayaw.
Wala eh. Dito. Wait lang ah. Ito, pwede.
Ayun. Ay.
Tapos, ba tayo?
Sobra yata. Doon ka lang yata sa may butas. Paano pala yun? Ba yung butas? Hindi, ano ka muna? Ayun yung gravity.
Saan?
Ayun oh.
Ayun.
Yan. Tapos makakatalong ka naman.
Nice.
Kala mo, hindi ka tatalon ha. Lang ako ha.
Oh no! Okay.
Lang ka ha.
Kalma.
Yan. Ay, go. Yan. Hello? Yun lang yun, ginawa natin. Ay, no, may gravity, ano ulit to?
Hindi yan gravity, ano? F yan!
F?
Ah,
ayun yung
hindi,
sa'yo.
ito pala gravity.
Ito sa akin.
Tapos,
Ay, ibababa ko to. Tatalon kaya ata doon. Try mo nga. Pinababa ko eh.
tapos, hindi, may stairs dito. Uy!
Ito, yung parang kiniklip ko. Ah, tama. Stairs nga yun. Hindi na ako makalagpas.
Yeah.
Sige, tama yan. Tumalong ka doon.
Sige, go. Stop. Yung isa, yung taas. Oo na.
You're good to go!
Ah, ito pala.
Ano?
Dati ko pala. Yes. Alright. Okay.
Let me guess. You're from the city.
Yeah, born and raised.
Yeah, gawin!
So,
Ito.
ito pala.
Why would anyone want to live in the city? It's so loud.
Tapos, ito, tatalon ko
The
dito.
countryside would bore me to death.
Tapos,
And the light pollution? It dims all the stars
tuloy
at
mo
night.
naman.
Stars
Spider
are overrated.
girl.
Boom, patay. Ah! What should I do?
I like the rain, but I don't like waiting in it.
Come on!
It won't budge.
Step back. Stop. Hands above your heads.
What now?
Just follow my lead. We're gonna fight our way through this.
I've never been in a fight before.
What were you expecting? We're cyber ninjas.
Suspect is in debt with the SRI. Lethal force is authorized.
Lethal force?
Let's take them out!
Nako, it's my time to shine. Ah! Uy! Ah! Sa'yo rin sa akin!
It's my blade!
Saya! Ay, sa'yo rin sa akin!
Makakapula kita.
Boom! Patay ako!
Ready na ko eh. Game over yung ama.
Kailangan natin lumapad ulit.
Watch out! Sorry!
Tapos. Uy, mamatay ako. Huwag ka mamamatay bago ano. Ano, mamatay pala ako, may mga nag-ano sa taas.
Meron.
Yun ang hindi ko nakikita eh. Ayan.
Ito pala. May ganun pala.
Ito.
Teka lang. Okay, game.
Go.
Ito pa.
Ako. Wala! Ako.
Saan?
Sa likod ka! Sa likod ka!
Ito lang. Yun yung kaunahang boss natin.
Ano ulit pangalan ng karakter ko?
Zoe,
Sa'yo si
tsaka
Zoe eh.
Mo? Mo ba?
Ewan ko.
Oh, stop complaining.
Basta M
Come on,
nag-start.
let's progress the story.
Mio?
Mio.
Neo.
What is that?
Motor naman pala.
It's not a part of my story, that's for sure.
Doesn't look like a glitch.
No. More like a portal or something.
Ah, punta tayo sa
I
ibang
wonder
ano.
where it goes.
We should avoid the risk of getting even more lost in here.
But couldn't it be worth exploring? Who knows? We might find some answers.
Or it might be a trap.
Or
Some answers.
something useful.
Okay. Pasok tayo. Wala na tayong magagawa. Ayun, first net. Pasok na yun. Di ba para ang goal, i-connect din tayo dun sa ibang ano? Sa ibang story? Sa ibang player?
Ata?
Fascinating.
Ooh.
Great. And now we're stuck.
They weren't kidding when they said extracting all of their ideas.
So we're back in one of your stories again?
Yes and no. This is more like an unfinished idea I once explored.
So, what kind of idea is this?
Well, this might be better to show and not tell.
I'm already regretting this.
So, I think mag-slide tayo dito.
Raider isn't just stealing all of our stories, but our unfinished ideas as well.
Yeah, this is bad. Glad those sharks are dead. They don't look
Uy, ano
friendly.
yun?
Yeah, those are
Ang
dead.
galing.
Parang ano to ah.
Ano?
Hindi ko maalala kung ano. Ala, nahulog ako! You're gonna have to wait for me. May kapares siya na game, di ko lang maalala kung ano.
Prince of Persia ba? Ano?
Ata.
Now, let's traverse the sands of time.
Literally.
Literally!
Sands of Time? Oo nga.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
We're safe on the rock.
Uy!
Patay.
It's on to you!
Ah!
So, safe tayo sa rock. Dito tayo.
Ano to?
Ay, isa lang pala. Sige. E?
It's distracted. Go!
Ah, okay. Pang-distract.
I'm out of beats, Zoe!
Sige, ulit.
Wait lang. Yan.
Ano to dito?
Ano?
Okay.
Oh, i-distract mo lang. So, i-lure mo lang siya. Dala lang.
No more juice! Better hurry!
Ah, okay na. Wait lang ah.
Go.
Oh crap!
Dapat pala wala mag-stick. Oh, akin.
Sige, go.
Okay.
I'm all out of them!
Ayan. Ready ka na?
Sige.
Oh, it's gonna get you!
Yeah!
Okay.
Wait.
Sabi mo pag
Wait lang.
ready ka na.
Wait lang, go.
Can't jump anymore!
Go.
Hirap naman nun.
Hindi lang natin alam paano.
Just passing through, fishies.
Oh, Mia, watch it! Must say, seeing this idea come to life
Wait
is
lang.
pretty unexpected.
Yeah, if Raider's coming for everything we created, we'd better prepare for surprises.
Indeed.
Okay. Press E. Stop. Oh, ang galing.
Akala ko dire-diretso na siya, kailangan pa pala pumunta. Angat, mama! Mama! Kainis. Ay! Uy! Uy! Wait lang. Natatawa ako. Jump? Jump? And then, anong gagawin sila?
F.
Okay. Uy!
So what's going on in here? Why are we
Ito.
in an hourglass?
Well, you know, it's like they say, time heals all wounds.
And what about the sharks then?
Well, I haven't figured that out, but they are exciting.
Sabay ako.
Ano mga nasa loob nito? Hanapin mo ko.
Ay, sure. Tama.
Hanapin mo.
Hindi ko na sa labas. Ay. Ayun. Kamukha mo yung sa Snow White, ah.
Oo nga, no?
So, got a plan to get us across?
Yeah. Jump!
Oh, no! Ooh!
Uy, galing.
Crazy!
Jump. Uy, gagi. May F pala.
Ay, may F pala.
Press time reactor.
F pala?
Pagkatalon.
Hindi ka na.
Ano nangyari pag bumakbo? Gagi, naligaw yata ako. Naligaw nga ako. Naligaw nga ako. Wala na, bumangga na ako.
Di, uy, mangga ako.
Doon yata sa butas. Nagkamali tayo na dito.
Tama lang yun.
Tama lang
Diretso
yan.
sila.
Close traffic ako.
Copy ko.
Tama nga lang. Uy! Dalawang dikit.
Boy pa naman ako.
Ayan. Traffic ako. Portal naman. So parang yun time.
Wait, are we back in your story again?
Yeah. And in the exact same spot that we left from.
Ano yun? Parang minigame.
Hindi nga, pag papasok sila sa glitch, bumabalik lang sila sa kung saan sila nag-stop.
Oh,
Oh.
where did it go?
I don't know. It looks like it got removed from the simulation.
Removed? Does that mean we saved my idea from being stolen?
Oo,
I
ayun yung
guess so.
goal.
Yes. Then let's keep an eye out for more of these side stories.
Yeah, but our focus should be on hunting down those glitches and escaping.
You're right. Back to being a violent cyber ninja, I suppose.
Ah, so yun yung mga side natin.
Well, I for one will stay vigilant for
Side
these
B.
side story portal thingies.
Ito.
Okay, then I'll track the crime boss.
But there could be some real hidden gems in there.
My old and unfinished ideas got shelved for a reason.
Aren't they worth checking out if we can save them from Raider, though?
Okay, tapos.
Fine. Maybe.
Ito.
Saan? Okay. Ano bang gawin sa akin?
Wait lang.
Hoy, ano yun?
Kukunin mo ata to.
Sige daw. Tapos? Saan ibabatok? Teka lang, saan ko muna ibabatok? Ano ito?
Yan.
Ayun, yun nga. So, babalik ka ba dapat dito?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi, may pupuntahan ka pa ata. Sige,
Ay.
labas. Ano ko?
Oo, babalik yata ako kasi pinang-beto ko sa akin. Kasi hindi na makalabas. Baka
Ayan,
hindi.
babasagin. Ah?
Ano, hindi. Ikaw yata, pwesto ka doon. Tapos yan, dapat ka dyan.
Ako babasag.
Oo, clutch. Teka lang, lalabas mo na.
Sige.
Okay.
Nice.
So, magkasama tayo.
Ay, wait lang.
Ano yun?
Yeah!
Galing ah.
Yeah!
Okay, tapos babato mo,
Eto.
babato mo pa rin.
Oo, kasi may babasagin ka pa na glass.
Saan? Saan?
Dun, oh. Okay, kukunin mo yan. Ay, patay ka?
Oo.
Yan, halika. Dito, babasagin mo.
Oo. Bababa pa na. Ayan.
Nakakahila to, ah.
Okay, tapos kailangan mo yata ibaba tong ladder.
Chop!
Ang galing.
Up in the real world, do you practice any martial arts?
I used to.
What holds you back? You seem healthy.
Not enough time or money lately.
Huh, sounds like me. Always late, always broke.
Ang gagawin? Ito. Pull mo muna to, dali. Yan.
Wait, gusto ko to. Okay, kaliwa ka na.
Sirain ko to.
Didn't expect to die.
Teka pa lang masyado.
Oy! Pagka. Ay, may fire na ako. Tignan mo.
Ha? Oo nga no, galing.
Mas malakas kasi may fire. Tara. Uy! Ano yun?
Nagkatatamin ko tayo dito.
Hindi ko alam. Nasusunog ka, oh.
Tinundog mo ko.
Tapos, ano dapat gawin? Ay, dito sa kaliwa. Wait lang.
Nakakatakot naman to. Ay, gagi, babalik ba? Ay lang.
Hindi ko alam.
Ayun, tumataas yung pet ko. Ano gagawin? Ano to?
Ito sa akin. Oh, anin mo.
Ha?
Hindi, anin mo. Ayun. Yan.
Caving, okay. May...
Okay, this spot is the hideout of our crime boss.
Not surprised you're a club cat, Mio.
Play me techno
Uy!
and I'm in.
Hindi maabot.
Whatever happened to real artists? Real instruments? You know, real music?
Things evolve, Granny.
Paano maabot dun?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Paano ba yun?
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, alam ko na. Alam ko na.
Ano? Ah, okay.
Tapos? Ayun na pala.
Saan?
Good
Saan?
question. Saan tayo?
Alam ko na. Ako muna, ha?
Sige.
Para hindi tayo sabay yung matay. Oh, patay.
Alam ko na ito.
Ay,
Sa
ito naman.
agdan. Ayun o, agdan o.
Patay.
Alam ko na.
Wait, were we not supposed to go into the club?
Through the front door? We're cyber ninjas, remember?
Ay,
Yeah, right.
okay.
Because we've been all about stealth up until now.
Cyber Ninjas.
Ito.
Ay, saan?
Hindi ko alam. Kala ko yun. Tapos.
Ha?
Anong gagawin? Ito. Hindi ba ito na ano sa'yo?
Hindi eh. Wala eh. Ito sa taas. Ayun o.
Paano ko nakakit?
I'm good to keep moving.
Tapos. Ito.
Uy! Ha? Dumaan.
Wala ka bang mahihila dyan? Ito. Wala yan. Wala. Ayun na.
Ito.
Ito, sirain ko.
Ito naman. At mga
Electrifying!
Uy, go, nilaglag mo. May pa kasi. Mali ako. Double ako.
Meow. Masisira ko kaya to.
Uy, TNT to ah.
Meow. Ikaw ba yung nagsabi nun? Yung meow.
Exactly.
All you need to know
Eh,
is
ako ba?
that we
Wala
gotta
sa
take her out
vocabulary
before
ko yung
this would break the city.
Yeah, I got that part, but
Ay, hindi. Ako
Hindi,
yun.
sir.
Yung character
She's a
ko.
ruthless psychopath who kills for fun.
Ano sa vocabulary?
sounds like a real gem.
Malamang. Eh, pasok ko pala mamaya 10 na. Ay, 10, 12.
Ikaw? Bakit? Well,
Well,
Tapos mag-on-site ako. Basta may activity.
okay.
look what the cat dragged.
Eh, di ba ano ka? Ay, okay. Tapos pala yung coding.
Are you finally here to pay your debt?
You're not getting shit.
I decide when your shit is paid. And until the mortgage is secured, your ass belongs to me.
What is she talking about, Mio?
No, don't mind her. I just wrote her as a flat, greedy villain.
Ah.
The dialogue sounds oddly specific, though.
Say hello to Mr. Hammer.
Ooh. Para
Hello,
siyang
Mr. Hammer.
Baymax sa Incredible Hulk.
Oh, no.
Oh dear. Bring it on!
Take him out.
Kailangan kabisyaduhin yung pattern. Oh no. Okay, ilag-ilag muna.
Zoe, hold it!
Paano natin papatayin?
Uy, no. Masagi, no. Ikaw yan.
Wait lang, mamatay ako.
Uy, ako yun. Boom. Alam mo, ha.
Make it rain!
Sorry, siya. Nampasampan siya. Shift lang. Ayun na. Ay, wala pa. Ayun na.
Talon. Uy!
Hindi, kailangan ko pala hawakan. Kailangan
Uy.
ko hawakan para maano
Kiss
mo.
mo. Ah.
Kasi. Okay, at least, binaw. Ay, nasave yung buhay niya. Ayun na. Kailangan.
Hindi ako nakakatalon pa.
Ayan.
Hindi ako makatalon.
Sige, okay lang. Tulong. Hawak ko. Sumasayo yung hammer.
You want your toy back? Oh, give it to him, Zoe!
Alam mo, may bawas ka rin ba?
Hindi ko alam. Wala.
Say hello to my little friends.
Oh,
Ay,
no.
gogi. Sila nyo okay.
No.
I don't want to hurt dogs! They're mechanical!
Ay! Daya.
The body!
Uy.
This is not okay!
Ilang kapag ganun.
It's a dog-eat-dog world.
Ito.
Nice. Pwede pala magtulungan.
Those breeds were expensive.
Ayan. Ayan. Hawak ulit.
Uy!
Uy.
Get the hammer, Zoe!
Okay.
Naano ko ata, nababawasan.
Nababawasan
Parang
ko.
same sa dogs.
Okay. Uy, gogi.
This guy is mental and about to be dead!
Uy, I'm dead.
Oh no, we're dead. And okay na.
Nasa-save naman. Naka-easy yata.
This guy is mental and about to be dead!
Shoot ka lang ng shoot.
I'm dead. Don't die. I'm not
Okay
dead.
na. I'm alive.
Go.
Okay na. Itong bawal.
Hit
Okay.
him hard! Now! Yeah, kick his ass!
Oh, yangan. Ito ko ni Mod.
Ayun, hawak ko. Oh. Yun lang. Uy, brum ulit.
Incoming rocket!
Uy, gagi, butas. Nalaglag ako. May double dash ba dito? Hindi ako nag-double dash. Ay! Wala.
What a gentle, family-friendly story you created!
Don't die, don't die.
Mamalay.
Ah, ina ako pala mag-i.
Kick-ass! Isn't it? No! Hurry, Zoe! I'm trying! Take cover!
Pwede mo.
I am gonna need counseling after this.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Look! Seems like there's another one of those side story portal things over here.
You're right! What's our plan?
Ano to? Ano naman story to? Hanggang 1 lang tayo, no? Kasi may pasok kang mamaya pa na.
Saving now.
Well, this was
Kasi
certain.
nakita ko sa ano.
Zoe, what am I? Wait, no. Am I? Yes.
Hindi ka ba
Calm down.
masaktan pag sinabi kong
Just
baboy
pigs.
ka ngayon?
Just pigs.
Wisit ka.
Just pigs? Actually, we're super pigs.
Oink, oink.
I think I'm gonna have a panic
Yan,
attack.
yan.
Ano to? Stretch?
You'll warm up to your super pig powers in no time.
Ah,
Ano
okay.
yung sa'yo?
Para makatalawan.
What? I
Sakit na mo? Uy!
Magical rainbow
Uy.
parts are
Parang
truly
dapat sa akin yun,
the
ah.
best part.
Uy! Uy!
Paano ka malundod?
Ang cute! I'm farting rainbows!
Ah, dito. Tapos dyan kaya sa ano, dyan kaya sa kabila. Andiyan ka na pala.
At least it's not
Oo.
Iwalo.
Oh, I love muddy puddles.
I'm farting
Tatawa ka maging baboy.
rainbows! Wow!
I want apples.
So ano to?
The
Doon
door
kaya
was
sa
I'm
isa.
farting
Let's find
rainbows!
Ay,
Wait lang.
di ko yata yun
Nag-enjoy
doon.
ko mag-fart ng rainbows.
Ano? Paano? Dito yata.
Farting
Kaya dito?
rainbows!
Dito? Makakatid ka ba?
Wait
Dito?
lang. Makakakit ako dito. Wait lang.
Paano?
May magagawa ka ba dyan?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Ito, hindi ko nga alam kung paano to eh. Hindi naman siya na-EF.
Wala. Ayaw.
Liga.
Ano magkat na?
Woo!
May hindi ba ako nagawa dito? Kailangan ba ako gawin dito? Wala naman. Ay, meron pala
Ito sa
dito.
taas, oh, sa taas. Ayun na yung green. Kita mo yan?
Kaya nga eh. Paano ko ate? Paano atit doon?
I'm farting rainbows. Woo!
Paano ko atit? Hindi eh. Hindi talaga. Dito ba?
I'm gonna fart rainbows. Woo!
Hindi eh.
Ako ata need pumunta dyan. Wait lang. Paano ka umakyat?
Hindi. Skill ko. Ito. Dito ba? Ayun. Okay. Gets ko na. Ito ako. Tapos dito. Ayun oh. Hindi. Bitin talaga eh. Ano? Dito. Okay. Ayun.
Found an apple!
Okay. Wala na ibang daan dito.
Eh, natatapunan mata, oh. Yo! Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang sinasamba nila yun.
Ayan, akit ka dyan sa taas.
Ha? Saan?
May tatapunan ka ata.
Tatapunan ako? Parang dito yata ilalagay yung apple eh. Ayun o, dito. Ayun o.
Sige nga.
Wala, kailangan mo kunin yan. Teka, iniisip ko kung paano yung ano mo dyan eh. Paano yung sequence mo. Nag-think out of the box kasi ako.
Ako kasi umuutot na.
Ano yan?
Uy! Uy!
Teka, hinahanapan kita ng ano.
Uy!
Ano to?
Feeling
Ano
ko
to?
alam ko na.
Dito yata. Patong ka dito. Dito sa pinapatungan ko. Ayun. Ayan, tapos tatawid ka doon. Okay.
Got an apple?
Pero paano yung ano dun? Paano yung...
Ayan, ito na. E.
Paano yung strawberry dun?
Snack is served.
Oo nga, parang feeling ko may something doon.
Delicious apples. Thank you.
Wait lang.
Let's go!
This
Why?
side story is
Paano yung strawberry?
wild,
Na-
Zoe.
nag- nahuhusay ako
relax,
dun sa strawberry.
Vicky girl. Have fun. Get muddy.
Wait lang, puntahan ko rin.
Ano to? Pinasamba nila oh.
Hindi ko kasi kaya puntahan yan eh.
Hindi, ayaw. Ano kaya to?
Ay, hindi. Parang kaya ko. Buksan mo to. Hindi ba nabuksan to?
Yung. Teka lang, baka
Hindi
dyan sa
ako.
labas. Try ko nga.
Ang galing ko, pwede ako umikot. 360 degree.
Nabubuksan ba yun?
Oh, wala.
Paano nga kaya to? Wala ba to? Mukhang wala naman siguro.
Weird shit lang.
Weird lang.
I'm
Uy.
hungry.
I love being a pig. So cute.
Oh, what a mean tomato.
Pwede mo palanin yung mga tomatoes.
Ano ba, bagsakan ko?
Ooh, I like that.
Ay! May hanapin ulit tayo. Ano to? Ano hanapin natin dito? Ay no, kailan ulit ng pinto?
Sige. Ano kaya mangyari sa bubbles? Wow. Kumakoy ba? Uy!
Ba't may pakpak ka dyan? Nasa taas yung isa oh. Ayun oh.
Kaya ganun nga nangyayari kapag matalon ka sa bubbles. Uy!
Ayun, nakuha ko na yung sa
Apple
akin.
here.
Apple. Asan yung violet? Asan naman kaya yun? Dito?
Pag tumalunti ako sa pig. Oing. Oing.
Asan yung isang apple? Ay, laking baboy pala nito. Baboy pala to.
Alin?
Ayun oh, ito.
Ito, nakita ko na yung apple na isa.
Asan?
Kaso need to
Ayun.
punta
Hindi.
doon.
Umiikot yung bubble. Pwede ka mag-abang na
Yeah.
malapit ka.
Sige, ito na.
Yun. Nice one.
Uy!
I'm still hungry.
Say po!
Chew on these mighty fine apples.
I do love me some apples.
This might actually be the first idea for a story I ever wrote down as a kid.
So you're a country gal?
Yep, from head to toe. Or, I mean,
Ako pala hindi dito.
Okay, tapos.
Iba tayo ng mga dadaanan.
Iba? Okay. Pataas dito.
Send me.
Okay. Ito, kailangan ulit maghanap ng apple. Dito yata, dito kaya yata. Try mo nga dito. Meron ditong pang parang trampoline.
Alam, may ano?
Ano?
Porky
Ay, gogi. Tapos sa sese nila niluto yung isang kasama nila. Dito kaya yata. Ayun, no, kita ko na yung isang apple mo. Ayan, dyan ka. Doon na, kita mo yung, kita mo na. Kita mo na?
Kailangan mo rin ata. Whee!
Rainbow power!
Okay, asan naman yung sa akin?
For rainbow power.
Lumilipad na baboy dito. Tapos agawag yan. Tapos pala na sa akin. Kailangan ko dito.
Ang galing nga pag nasa hiya ko, nagtatago. For rainbow power.
Ano ko aakit dun? Ay, hindi ako aakit dun. Doon ka sa taas.
For rainbow power.
Dito ka aakit. Doon ka sa kabila. Teka, paano ba ako aakit? Paano ko aakit dun?
For rainbow power. Dito.
Hindi abot eh. Hindi ako.
Ako ata dapat. Wait lang.
Apple.
Dito ka sa taas. Ikaw dito eh. Ay, alam ko na.
Ayun. Sige. Tapos?
Ayan. Diyan ka lang.
Ayun.
For rainbow power.
Ayun na.
For rainbow
Lumilipad na
power.
baboy yun. Ayun pala. Siya pala may bitit na tomato. Sige, tara. Ayun. Kuha lang tayo na. Alam mo, last game natin, naging baboy.
Fancy
Tayo.
some apples, good sir.
I can't relate. I'm always a picky.
Ay, hindi. Ako picky eater talaga. Ayun naman, yung tae.
My house is indestructible!
Ah, ito yung three little
Stable,
pigs.
I guess. Or is it now?
Ito?
Oh, three little pigs, diba? Kasi
Oo.
siya, ang ano niya.
Okay
Ay,
na.
ututan ko nga. What if ututan ko yan? Huff and puff and I'll blow your house down with my poo. No, ayaw.
Ito, may podcast dito. Ano, may
Lang.
podcast dito.
Sino tong nag-chat?
Uy! The other players left session.
Ha? Bakit?
Umalis ka daw eh.
Hindi ako umalis. Pero na-save yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Check mo nga. Basta nasa pig na tayo. Ay, hindi ka na makakabalik pag wala ako?
Oo, hindi.
Alo.
Nag-teleport ka ba? Ay, kaya...
Hindi, tabal-tab lang.
Biglang nag-exit sa akin eh. Nag-ano sa akin. Hindi ko lang kung babalik ulit tayo sa ano. Sayang naman yung progress na lang. Pero sa bagay, ano natin.
Hindi, nakasave naman na siya kanina eh.
Ah,
Diba, nag-auto-save?
Dun sa baboy? Ah, okay. Sige.
Let's check. Tapos save na natin ng maayos.
Sige.
Para
Proceed.
ako'y magpapahinga.
Ito nga, konti. Ito nga,
Continue
iba
where
ako.
you left off. Ayan, nag-auto-save naman.
Yan. Ano nga kainin ko? Ito nga.
No.
Oh, sige, okay na. Gusto mo pahinga?
No.
Sige. Okay. GG's. Part 1.